Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and predictions. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet, this is available in red and black strings. And yeah, ito ang ating Evil Eye Ring. Excuse my nail. Oo. So, yan, ang ating Evil Eye Ring and ating Evil Eye Necklace. So, kung may mga tanong, message lang po. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start with you. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong message for you? Choices. Choices. Ayun ang unang na pumasok sa utak ko. The Seven of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng maging busy. The Devil. May mga sitwasyon, tao, na pwedeng makagulo sa'yo, ha? Air signs. Okay? Pwedeng makakagulo sa'yo. Hindi ka makapag-focus. Ganyan. Okay? Some of you, yung iyong sabihin natin pagkakaroon ng parang open na schedule, no? Yeah. Medyo magulo. Meron ditong energy ng Capricorn and water sign. Ang parang gustong gusto ka, pero open naman yung option nila. Some of them, they just want sex with you. Okay? So, yeah. Magulong schedule, busy schedule ang nakikita ko. Okay. The Five of Cups in reverse and the Temperance. Someone is waiting na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. Pwedeng Sagittarius, pwedeng water sign. Okay? Meron ditong magte-take risk. Like testing the water. Parang ganyan. Ano pa? Air signs, the Two of Cups. Yeah. Meron ditong parang gagawa na ng pagpili. Okay? May gagawa ng pagpili, pwedeng water sign. Pagdating sa'yo, pagdating sa connection, romantic connection. Okay? Merong water sign dito ang parang nakikita ka nila na parang ikaw yung someone na pwedeng makakatulong sa kanila para makapag-move on. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Meron ditong talagang hintay na hintay sa'yo. Sobra. Gusto ka nila. Okay? Kahit open yung option nila, ikaw yung pipiliin talaga. Kahit bigyan siya ng maraming option, ikaw pa rin at ikaw ang pipiliin. Okay? There's a promotion coming. Some of you, a lot of connection. Oo, pwedeng maraming gustong na-attract kasi sa'yo. Okay, water sign, ang lakas ng water sign, Capricorn, Sagittarius, fire sign. Okay? Maraming gustong makipag-ayos sa'yo, air sign. Okay? So, they see you as someone who is so mysterious, quiet. Yan. Okay? So, pwedeng dati, ginusto mo to, pero ngayon naglaylo ka. Pinili mo yung tahimik, parang ganyan. And then, sila naman ngayon ang mag-move forward towards you. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang nakikita ko. For you, air signs. Okay, next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong message for you? Okay. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Anong meron? The Six of Swords in reversed. And the Four of Swords in reversed. Iba sa inyo hindi makatulog, no? Sa gabi. Laging may iniisip. Overthinking. Or maybe there's air sign. An air sign who's like always thinking of you. Pero hindi nila magawang lumapit or kausapin ka. But yeah, they want that. They like that. Na makita, makausap ka, or ano. Okay? May magbabalik. Pwedeng nawalan kayo ng connection or komunikasyon ng taong to, pero nakakita ko rito na pwedeng bigla na lang na magme-message tong taong to. I don't know who. Okay? Basta nilayuan ka or nagkaroon ng pagkakalayo. Okay? Sa inyong dalawa. The Devil. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Someone is obsessively thinking of you. Yeah. Pero ang gagawin lang ng mga to is makakausap ka or kakausapin ka para malesen. Okay? Yung pag-iisip nila. Yeah. May energy rin dito sa taong ito na they will act hot and cold pagdating sa'yo. Okay? The Lovers in reverse. May nakikita ko ditong makeup sex or talagang kahit wala kayo, may mangyayari. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong relasyon na hindi masimulan-simulan. Kasi merong person ang parang hindi niya kaya na mag-step up sa situation. They always like watching you. Okay? Like ka nitong, I don't know, kung napapanood ka. Online. Yeah. Hindi kanya kinakausap pero they're like obsessed. No? Ayokong sabihin yung word na yun, pero andun. No? Yung parang miyat-miya. Gusto niya makita ko anong ginagawa mo, kung ano bang meron sa buhay mo ngayon. Like that. They just want to connect. I guess. Yeah, the Sun. Parang lagi kang pinapanood, lagi kang tinitingnan. Maybe, oh my God. I hate it. Oo. Yung nakikita ko. Ayoko sabihin kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede dito yun. Oo. Yeah. They're watching you and i-enjoy nila yon. Hindi ko alam. Oh my God. Okay. So, yun na yun. Ha? Oo. Matanda na tayo. Yun na yun. Ha? Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong message for you? Water signs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Water signs. Okay, kunin ko to. Ano ba? Isa lang. Yan. Okay. Ano yan? Tingnan natin. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Completion. Ano nakikita ko? Completion. Changes. For some of you. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Parang ano wag nyo raw hayaan yung sarili nyong limitahan, okay? Pagdating sa mga gustong mangyari sa buhay. Kasi parang kayo nagdo-draw ng line. Para kayo mismo naglilimit sa kakayahan nyo sa mga gusto nyong mangyari, sa goals nyo, sa dreams nyo. Oops, hanggang dito lang ako kasi hanggang dito lang siguro yung kaya ko. Enough. Kailangan yung baguhin yun, okay? Universe, lagi siyang nandyan okay, to support you. Okay? Ang narinig ko sa kanya, I got your back. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Pero yun nga, syempre, kailangan mo na effort. Parang ganyan. You're being guided. Don't worry. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, talagang tinatrap mo yung sarili mo pagdating sa mga dapat mangyari. Hinahayaan mong stagnant. Stagnant yung iyong energy. Stagnant yung iyong frequency. So, lahat doon, damay-damay. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles, yeah. Effort. Focus. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Cups. May maaayos pagdating sa family issue. Some of you, okay? Yung iba sa inyo talagang pag-focusan mo kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa'yo or nagbibigay ng kasiyahan. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo may pag-iipunan. Talagang work, parang ganyan. Nakakuha ko ng energy ng ng breadwinner din. Okay? So, parang may limit every time na pag-uusapan na is pera. No? Kasi parang minsan nalilimitahan mo yung sarili mo sa mga gusto mong mangyari dahil you're the breadwinner. Parang ganun. Or maybe someone is ganito. Okay? Some of you, kailangan mo silang suportahan. Huwag mo iparamdam sa kanila na lahat is nakapasan sa kanila. Parang ganun. If ever na may kilala kayong ganyan, okay? Huwag niyo paparamdam sa kanila na parang sila na lang palagi. Nakakapagod yun. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Yeah, the world in reverse. Meron ditong nakakaramdam na hindi sila na-appreciate kahit anong gawin. Okay? Yeah. The Six of Wands. Laging lang parang may pagko-compare. Yeah. May babaguhin para makakuha ng atensyon. May kailangan baguhin para makakuha ng atensyon. Yes. May, tawag dito, may lilipat ng work. Okay? Para mas maging okay. May lilipat ng pagtatrabahuhan, ng pinagtatrabahuhan. Yeah. And malayo yun. Or maybe, some of you, you're planning. You're planning para sa family. So, may energy na may paglayo dito yung iba. Okay. So, there. Yun ang nakikita ko. Next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong meron for you? Earth signs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po. Okay, thank you. So, anong message for Earth signs? Earthy, earthy, earthy. Oh, okay. The Eight of Cups in reversed. There's a water sign na hindi maka-move on sa'yo. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Pero hindi nila kaya na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. Like, may delay pagdating sa new beginning. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, see? May separation. They can't move on. They can't start their own life. Parang, yeah. Or maybe, talagang may bumabalik sa'yo pero hindi makita. Like, someone is searching, looking for your answers, no? Bakit hindi maging okay? Like that. Some of you, nakakita ko ng makeup sex. Okay. Meron dito magbabakasyon. Babalik sa probinsya, mga ganyan. Okay? Pero hindi ko nakikita magtatagal. Yeah. The Nine of Cups. You're someone's wish fulfillment. That's why they can't move on. Always returning. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Hi! There's a lot of water here. Water with fire. Okay. May mga tao sa paligid mo na nandyan yung ayaw na ayaw ka na magiging okay. So, gagawa sila ng paraan para hindi ka maging okay. Kasi pwedeng nakikita nila na you're getting anything or everything na gusto mo and sila hindi nila makaya yon or hindi nila talaga gusto nakikita kang masaya. Gagawa ng paraan para masira kung anong meron ka sa'yo, ganyan. Okay? Kasi hindi nila makuha yung mga bagay na pwedeng nakukuha mo. Some of you, friends mo to. Okay? Some of you, talaga namang nasa loob lang ng circle mo. Itong mga to. Okay. The Two of Pentacles. Meron ditong parang nahihirapan pagdating sa'yo, Earth signs. A lot of question. Oo, ang palaging nandyan sa kanila. Some of you, may mga tao na pwedeng tingin nila sa'yo is napakaswerte, parang ganyan. Or tingin nila is you're their wish fulfillment, pero iniisip nila, kami ba? Anong tingin nila sa akin? Parang ganyan. Anong tingin ni Earth sign sa amin? Like that. Okay? Yeah, the King of Cups. See? someone is confused pagdating sa emotion mo for them. Yeah, someone is confused. Maybe, ang nakikita nila sa'yo is you're hot and cold, ganyan. So, they're like, questioning, no? Meron eto nakukuha ko, earth signs. Meron ditong person, to specific to, hindi to para sa lahat. Meron ako nakikita ditong isang person, gusto ka niya, okay, hindi ka niya kayang alisan, hindi ka kayang bitawan, okay sa kanya kahit wala kayong label. Okay? Dahil, wala parang tinamaan, o parang ganyan. Pero, may doubt, or kahit unsure siya. Unsure, pagdating sa emotion mo sa kanya, mag-i-stay pa rin. Mag-i-stay pa rin siya. They love you. Okay? Yeah. Pero, ito ang nandito, the Two of Pentacles. Maybe you're the one who's indecisive. Maybe you're the one na kailangang pumili. The Two of Pentacles. May pagpili dito. Okay? May nakakaramdam dito na you're making them as an option. You're just making them as an option. May nakakaramdam ng ganyan. Okay? May ma-friend zone. May mga ganyan. Yeah, they still love you. They still want you. If this is a past person returning, they still want you. Yun. Yeah. You're their wish fulfillment, sabi nga. Yeah. See? The Nine of Coins in reverse. A lot of attraction. Andyan yung codependency for some of you. Okay? Pero yun nga, the Ace of Wands is here. Wala hindi ito mag-level up. Hindi ito makapunta sa next level. Hindi ma-open yung next level ninyo. Hindi nyo matapos kung ano mang journey, kung ano mang meron sa stage, no? O kung saan mang stage kayo. Stage 1, o hindi kayo maka-level up, hindi kayo maka-level 2, hindi kayo makapunta sa stage 2. Tumawa pa. Oo, ganun yung nakikita ko. Okay, so some of you kasi may third party involved. Okay? So, that's why meron ditong pagpili. Okay? There's a friend who's in love with you. Pero they will act hot and cold or aloof. Ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang. Ang akin nakikita sa inyo, mga earth signs. So, again, dito po natapos ang ating reading for all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.